And the way that I want everyone to think about this is that essentially, AI is a type of technology and a type of methodology that everyone wants to use right now. But even now that we're about 4 years into this really big generative AI boom. Obviously, AI has been around since the 1960s, I think. But really, the way that AI is going right now and the way that it's been in this current sort of big boom is the last 4 years. And we're starting to see the first cracks in the foundation and the first real results of experimentation at this point. And at Consulta, I think it's important. We find it important to share that while it is very tempting to just jump in and get going, there are actual problems and costs and things that need to be fixed, even around AI or even around how organizations works, which leads me to my first major sort of problem, I guess, which is that the value of AI comes from rewiring how companies run. There's a lot of talk. Obviously, it requires a rewiring of data. It could requires rewiring of potentially how money is spent and how people are hired and all these other things. But it's fundamentally looking at how companies run. And this is an interesting study from McKinsey because they did look at small business, they looked at startups, looked at mid-size, looked at enterprise, looked at every single industry. And fundamentally, no one is getting the real value of AI and the real returns they're looking for without fundamental understanding that it's not a band-aid solution. It's not something you can just slap on. It is actually a rewiring.